Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Proxyman in your computer in a very simple way. Proxyman inspects HTTP and HTTPS traffic for web debugging and testing. So how you can simply install it or download it, you can simply come over into any of your favorite browser and then simply search here Proxyman download. And if you click on this macOS, iOS, Windows, and Linux, if you click on it, then we're going to get for the different operating systems. So I'm going to go for Windows, click on download, and it's about 118 MB, so it will take some of seconds to complete. Now, as you can see, the Proxyman setup is completed. Now, if you click on the folder icon, if you click on it 2 times to install, and now it's installing. And now if you click on allow, and as you can see right now that the Proxyman is rightly opened in your computer. So if you want to know how you can simply use it, what you have to do first, you have to comment below, and then I'm going to create another video to show you how you can simply use it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.